Meaning of Eritrean.
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 Eritrean. The term Eritrean refers to something or someone that originates from the country of Eritrea, which is located in the northeast region of Africa. Eritrea gained its independence from Ethiopia in 1993 after a prolonged struggle for self-determination. Today, Eritrea has a population of over 6 million people and is known for its diverse ethnic and linguistic groups, as well as its strategic location on the Red Sea. The country's economy relies heavily on agriculture, mining, and fishing industries. Eritrea is also known for its unique cuisine and rich cultural heritage.